Charcoal grills explained. A guide to outdoor cooking. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, charcoal grill. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just curious about English vocabulary, this video will help you understand what a charcoal grill is and its significance in culinary culture. Let's dive in. Charcoal grill refers to a device used for cooking food outdoors. It's made up of a metal container where charcoal is burned to create heat. The food, usually meat or vegetables, is placed on a grill or grate above the charcoal to cook. This method imparts a distinctive smoky flavor to the food, making it a popular choice for barbecues and outdoor parties. The practice of grilling food over an open flame dates back centuries and is enjoyed worldwide. Charcoal grilling became particularly popular in the United States during the mid-20th century, symbolizing leisure and outdoor fun. It's not just a cooking method. It's a cultural activity enjoyed during summer holidays and family gatherings. A typical charcoal grill has several key components. The grate, where the food is placed. It's usually a metal grid. The charcoal chamber, where charcoal briquettes are placed and burned. Vents. These allow air to flow, controlling the temperature. Lid, used to cover the grill, trapping heat and smoke for even cooking. To get the best results, preheat the grill for about 15 to 20 minutes. Use quality charcoal for consistent heat. Control the temperature by adjusting the vents. Clean the grate before and after grilling to prevent sticking and ensure hygiene. We hope this video has helped you understand what a charcoal grill is and how it's used. Remember, it's more than just a cooking device. It's a way of bringing people together and enjoying delicious food. Happy grilling, and see you in our next video.